don't even know if I did an intro for this video, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, you're welcome. If not, you're welcome back. Anyways, I came to get pizza from Domino's, as you guys saw earlier. So I got the extra large. Yeah, this extra large is so huge. I got the barbecue chicken, meatballs, and yeah, and I also got some water. So I got the big Coke, and is it big Coke or extra large Coke? 1 liter Coke. Then I got 2 bottled water. So I and the kids, with my hubby, we're going to be munching on this. Let's go home. The kids are waiting for me though. So Renee is just here distracting me. I went out with Renee. I left the 2 mascatires at home. Went out with only my baby girl.
Thank you for the foodie. Yum, yum.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are.
Hey guys, hi. I don't think I've properly done intro in this video. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Sylvester. That's being said, today is one of my very chill day as usual, guys. Trust me, I like my company a lot. I enjoy my companies. Whenever I have days like this where I have less interaction with the outside world, I find it very relaxing. So that's why you guys see, whenever I tell you it's my chill day, just because I've been indoors virtually all day. The only thing I did today, like going out, is just to go get akara, which is a bean, is it bean pudding? No, bean pudding is moi moi. Bean something like akara, fried bean pudding, okay, and pap, which is what I got today. Then I just finished having that. I had that in the morning too, and I'm sure now it's about 2-3 p.m, but it's just feeling like morning because I've been indoor. Yeah, so my hair is old, very old. This weaving has, I don't know, I took it for this long because it's really tiny. So whenever I think of losing it, it just gives me chills, you know, like I'm just scared, like how do I lose this hair now? But anyways, we're going to lose it. Hopefully I'm going to lose it today. Then I'll wash it today. But I have a couple of stuff I want to do. Let me show you guys what I want to do. So literally what I want to do today is just to straighten my hairs, coil the one I can coil, water the ones I can water. This is my short bob, which is my go-to hair. I have to straighten it. I haven't straightened it for a long time, so I have to straighten that. Then I also have this other coily hair down here that I have to water wave, add some water to it to just make them look presentable. And I'm using that dirty mannequin over there. That thing is not dirty. I actually bought it like that from a hair store, but it looks like it's dirty, but it's not dirty. That's how it looks. Strange, very strange looking woman. That's the straight that I'm using over there. So yeah, quite a busy afternoon for me from now henceforth. I'm using this brush, or should I say comb. So let me start straightening. I'll start with the bob, and if I have time after that, I'll progress to do other ones. But let me start straightening. morning. How you guys doing? Good morning. It's morning here. Today is Friday here, and as you guys can see, I just did a little bit of my morning routine, which is cleaning up my room first. And yeah, that's like the first thing I like to do every morning once I wake up. Then I'll be going down to have breakfast. There's yam and pepper soup this morning, I think, so that I'll be having for breakfast. I finally loosed my hair yesterday and I just braided it into this one stuff. So my plan is also to go wash this hair. I have a plan of going to wash it and also running some few errands this morning. Just one or two little things with work, then that is it for today. Another thing I would like to do is my grandmom asked me to do something for her, so I have the plan of taking that stuff to where they're going to fix it. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and end this vlog. I found a way to make my videos less stressful. Sometimes I finish filming a video, I have lots of content on my phone because now I'm very comfortable filming on my phone more. It's more convenient for me. So I usually have like lots of content, but what scares me is the editing part. See, video editing and video creating, the most scary part is the editing part. So what I've realized now that actually works is film and edit. For instance, this segment of the video I'm filming now, I have already edited the other parts before this one, okay, yesterday and before yesterday. So as I finish filming this video, I'm just going to maybe take a shower, eat breakfast and do one or two things, then get my computer and edit just this segment, which is going to make it a whole lot easier for me, and it's going to make it easier for me to put out content. For instance, if I have a days that I have like very lot of activities going on, I can film that whole day, edit that video because it's fresh, and so editing is quite easier than piling a lot of events together and just waiting for just one day that you're going to have the strength, the stamina to edit. So that is what I have come to realize, and I think it's going to like crush my editing game and make YouTube more fun, because the part of the whole thing, the work part is the editing. So since I've actually gotten a hang of it, I'm going to try it, and hopefully it works for me for a long time. So with all that being said, guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you watch my videos and you don't comment, please comment. Just like or say anything down in the comment section. Anyways, if you watch up to this part, let me tell you what you put in the comment section down. Let me know that you have watched the video up to this part. Just put throw pillow or put pillow, whatever. Yeah, I just saw that and I decided to use that. So just put throw pillow, okay? So just put pillow or throw pillow down in the comment section. Then whatever thing you want to also add, so then I know that you watched up to this extent, okay? Because I want you guys to watch my videos to the end. It means a lot to me. And please thumbs up the video, like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I appreciate each and every one of you for the time, the effort you put into watching my content and interacting with it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. The next one, if this is going up on Sunday, trust me, the next one is going to come on before Sunday. So check within the week for my videos as well, okay? Bye.